winner is Georgia Institute of Technology in cooperation with Airbus, Delta Air Lines and TU Delft.
Thank you so much for giving this award to the students because they are the future of aviation industry. Thank you so much.
The jury awarded this concept for its clear real-world operational benefit combined with a relatively simple technological and implementation approach. By streamlining aircraft cleaning through centralized task management and real-time data flow, it improves turnaround efficiency and reduces workload across roles. The solution enables faster boarding processes, delivering measurable cost and CO2 savings with significant benefits for airlines and passengers alike.
We are very surprised because, all strong projects are here and we didn't know that we're going to be the winners. So thank you so much for giving us this award.